Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Interactive Brokers trading platform. Interactive Brokers is a professional online trading platform that offers a wide range of trading tools and features to help you manage your investments. To get started with the platform, first you need to open an account with Interactive Brokers. This can be done by visiting their website and following the account application process. Once your account is approved and funded, you can log into the platform using your username and password. The first screen you will see is the dashboard, which provides an overview of your account, including your account balance, portfolio, and any open orders. From the dashboard, you can navigate to different parts of the platform using the menu at the top of the screen. To place a trade, click on the Trade button and select the type of trade you want to place, such as a stock, option, or futures trade. Enter the symbol of the security you want to trade, and then select the order type, such as market or limit. You can also set additional parameters, such as stop loss or take profit levels. One of the key features of the Interactive Brokers platform is the ability to set up and manage complex trading strategies using the platform's trading tools. These tools include technical indicators, charting software, and risk management tools. To access these tools, click on the Charts and Analytics button, which will take you to a screen where you can view and analyze charts, set up technical indicators, and access other trading tools. You can also use the platform's paper trading feature to practice trading with a simulated account before risking real money. In addition to its trading tools, the Interactive Brokers platform also provides a range of educational resources, including webinars, videos, and online courses. These resources can help you learn more about trading and investing, and improve your skills as a trader. Best practices for using the Interactive Brokers platform include starting with a paper trading account to get familiar with the platform, setting clear investment goals and risk management strategies, and continually educating yourself on trading and investing. By following these steps and using the Interactive Brokers platform effectively, you can take control of your investments and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means, and to seek professional advice if you are unsure about any aspect of trading or investing.